Excellence Wire delivers a one-stop structured cabling solution. Looking for trusted OEM branding options? Need internationally certified products to win projects? Here's how we helped a telecom and wire manufacturer in the Middle East expand their portfolio with copper solutions. Excellence Wire provided OEM customization with logo imprint, label design, and packaging backed by global certifications, fast delivery, and supportive service. From inquiry and OEM requirements to sample approval, production, shipping, and after sales, Excellence Wire supported the customer every step of the way. Our copper products complemented and completed their portfolio, helping them win large projects. Customers highlighted consistent quality and fast delivery of samples. Excellence Wire, supporting your growth with world-class OEM and ODM structured cabling solutions.